we are back with another video. In this video, I am talking about the Nokia X Sirocco. The HMD Global has launched the flagship smartphone Nokia X Sirocco in the MWC event on February 2015. So in this video, I will talk about the Nokia X Sirocco. Nokia 8 smartphone was the highlight of the launch event, as all the people are waiting for the Nokia flagship smartphone. Finally, they launched the Nokia X Sirocco as the new Nokia flagship smartphone. So now let us quickly go to the specifications of the smartphone. As the Nokia 8 Sirocco smartphone comes with 5.5 watt HD plus not 18:9 aspect ratio. It has 16:9 aspect ratio but with curved display. That means the edges are curved. So the smartphone comes with 5.5 inch touchscreen and the full HD, not full HD, Quad HD plus display. It has stainless steel body all over the phone. The new Nokia Sirocco smartphone is powered with Snapdragon 835 processor, which was a little disappointment because if they bought the Snapdragon 845, it would be better, but no problem. And it offers a 6 GB of RAM. Smartphone comes with 128 GB internal storage and we cannot expand the storage. As far, they are also concentrated on the camera segment, as the Nokia is also concentrated on the camera segment. The Nokia 8 Sirocco is packed with 12 megapixel dual camera on the back side and also primary camera with 5 megapixel front camera. It was a very good, but it has a 5 megapixel, which was a little disappointment. So as they are saying that it will take extraordinary pictures in the low light condition. The Nokia 8 Sirocco runs on Android 8.0 and it is powered with 3260 mAh non-removable battery and it has a wireless charging. This is good thing. It also has IP68 water and dust resistant. It sounds good because the Nokia flagship smartphone runs IP68 water and dust resistant. It has features like 3 high dynamic range mics with Nokia audio, and they say that 95% of surface area is covered by vacuum molded Gorilla Glass. And it also has 3.5mm headphone jack, which was most phones don't have in this 2018. So now coming to the measurement of the smartphone, it has 140.93 height and it has 750 thickness. Let's talk about the connectivity features. It has Wi-Fi, GPS and Bluetooth and NFC support also. And last, let us talk about the sensors of the smartphone. Magnetometer, proximity sensor and accelerometer and ambient light sensor, gyroscope and barometer, etc. So now let's talk about the Nokia. The Nokia had come with, so this is the overall information of Nokia 8 Sirocco specifications. So what I like this smartphone, what is my review? As the Nokia brought a curved edges display, which was very good thing. That means they completely focused on the design innovation like Samsung. So because they don't bought 18:9 aspect ratio, because they are completely focused on the rounded edges. As you can look in the picture, the smartphone comes with round edges, which was a little good thing. This is the overall information of the Nokia 8 Sirocco, and I forgot to say the price of the smartphone is roughly 59,600 rupees in Indian currency. So what are the cons of the smartphone? As I brought, if the smartphone was Snapdragon 845 chipset, the smartphone is the best flagship of this price range. Nokia come up with last year's Snapdragon 835 processor, which was a little disappointment. So overall, this was the information of Nokia 8 Sirocco smartphones. If you like this video, please do like our channel and also subscribe to our channel.